Hey everyone, welcome back to Shona Kid. Like and subscribe to the channel before we began. Once upon a time, in a small Sunni village nestled between rolling hills and vibrant fields, there lived a humble shepherd named Ahmed. Ahmed was known for his kind heart and deep devotion to Allah. From a young age, he took great care in tending to his flock of sheep, treating them with such warmth and gentleness that every animal dwelled peacefully under his care. Ahmed would rise with the sun for Fajr prayer, and after completing his salah, he would greet his sheep with quiet words of affection. The villagers often admired his dedication and remarked how his sheep seemed to trust him implicitly. One day, as he walked his flock across the valley, Ahmed noticed a distressed bird struggling beneath a bush. Drawing closer, he saw that the bird's wing was injured. Without hesitation, Ahmed scooped the bird up and brought it to his small cottage. Over the following days, Ahmed cared for the bird as diligently as he did his flock. Each morning before Salah, he would apply healing oil to the wing and offer soothing words. Slowly, the wing began to heal, and the bird gathered strength. Word of Ahmed's compassion spread through the village and inspired others to emulate his kindness. The villagers realized the value of showing mercy and love to all creatures. On the day the bird was finally able to fly, Ahmed watched it soar into the sky. As it joined its fellow birds in flight, he felt an overwhelming sense of gratitude. By showing kindness to all living beings, Ahmed demonstrated the principles taught in the Quran. And do good. Indeed, Allah loves the doers of good. Quran 2:195. Through his actions, Ahmed reminded the village that caring for Allah's creations brings countless rewards and happiness. Hope to see you again for another wonderful story.